what in I say, what carry I want. Omanhene Kwabena Asante. Omanhene Kwabena Asante. Omanhene Kwabena Asante. What in I say, what carry I want.
Yeah, minya na
apomboko
nyame adom bibia na mde
yeah online na show no so ani da ho
no kwasi ni on WhatsApp phone slide ya onim lane papa anya wana mo lane ni bi
online no sackling authentic papa
anya bottle lane bi
ma mo hwe Facebook no mo so Omanhene lane na show
no
yeah correct pa
I do nim taste.
Oh, person try me, but me so me nice. Yeah. And a designer no so pa me.
Yeah, of course.
Sa logo no.
Yeah.
For the number mama.
Logo we no.
Yeah.
Me one number. Me perfume ni dia tu mana. Ejimi ma ejimi. Bajai.
Maloko.
Machia Ghana for you.
Ghana for Dwaso.
Edwedifo no.
Ghana for Dwaso.
One Ɛkɔ Sɛn no mafiri amana no yenim say times are tough. Edi ebekɔ so asra ban say ehihye bi obetimi de gu akwan mu. Eno na $10 you know, ehihye bi obetimi de
kwa na ɛkɔ.
Ehihye bi obetimi de gu akwan mu ma dollar no asasa ba na chi na edwedifo no ye wo man nim no. Ye ho atimi asankan ebekɔ so asra. Ema ne nye Ghana ni bia de say ai so be the kasa say obey dollar watch dollar question IDP officer it dollar na corner e obi de there be
confubon shem come say oman no emba
what mu yen sachira sa adwene no whether we have power or in a position or even in a position or even in power but still yen nya bi ani tie pese egu ya ye hu fi a enya wona ogu hu fi e Ghana na o me ye bre ana yen oman mu fo na ye bre eti adwene bia e betimi atoa ama esikasem against the dollar na ho ordinary magina yi no ya Ghana sikasem na agina Ghana cedis na agina enya ankrankra bi nye party bi na amagina timesre aban odaroma there is a need for us to all gather and discuss this matter na yemfa nya amanyo sema ehun ni mfaso na ye bre adwadifo otiem na no maami bi okofa milk free Nigeria ba also omo de basa there's a akoma ani abadaye ne say omo de omo kofa bo ne ba na se atuma na dollar ni nyina onso obetum otuma me ne wu CG no ana ye be so at and you de but they don't have a choice. It is all confirmed no makra bana say frustrations no GR ni customs na say for no say frustrate you ni national security ni go ta for no omo frustrate you na obu fu more. It is media they said na be to aban nim say onhwe na ontutu ni omayi na Sarasi Kasema Ɛkɔ n'anim mirika so no entimi mbra na chi kakra bia de to so bie mu so no say one hot meal no for a year suku kwada no na ɛka wom ntie ne say MC afrefre caterers ni bi a omgusu frefre say yentua ya yeka nti omutu anamon so omutu nti the domase one hot meal secretariat for no yatese ma frefre mpanyimfo ni bia ma sha ase na modi gita ho na ne kra no so no enen yoma mienu so ha adwene ye pa se ohwe chronicle front page and so dey me dankara mo a ye start exercise bi petrol ye ton a ye koto a ebu a ensoman most of the filling stations and they kwa there Shell for for chronicle Shell
go for chronicle no man
Shell
chronicle
only insure Shell be person specific area no only insure afra for atimpoku you know
okay are you for Shell no bra for go on no bra
chronicle no hey what's the Shell no go I got chronicle what's the Shell
you are confusing me Kwabena Asante
sometimes what you there wait chronicle we obenya da no problem but we nya mo hwe yemma ye filling station payfo nyina yembo mo kokko sa sunu enya papa ode ope ye kan say emfaso dodo ana say opodi na ope na ye ya hyen a yakoto no enja ye kwan ma na say ye hyen no na wo nya mfaso say wo engine kwa enti mesre na me pese me specific because aba say dey am di ya no say oh na ko Shell be about a specific Shell and all catch say but I'm yet to confirm can person kind but yet ensure all the fra petrol atom ama dishes it's not good it's not good so I just anafe me am chrome this year canal da mo ade na aba no Mr. Momosha Kratana Bain Trail. Aspiration. It is just a band or who can say Obama Twaso and all my own
Twaso.
It's any news. The hard dream as or mine say. Nipa omu fie du bra emra mo kwanse o mutena wo no aso atra no e bia di 2 years e bia di 3 years Nsem fata
GS bebre o
Nsem fata
bebre
eti mama eti I'm surprised that we should all papers be a flashy when president or government says that you have contract legally, me say I expire. What's the big deal about this?
Any news?
What's the big deal about it? We almost.
And news, the incidents leading up to expiration of contract.
That one is another matter. But the reality is that the content of the letter, you cannot do anything about it because a bride, the man was extend your contract. Where in the man? Aso, me to be no judgment. Say, be a coca papa. Say, a dream trader, and the enemy masem. Made the say as Oman sa contract extension na nkasa na ehwe na enwene ho na twitwa nyoma bebre so o my God them boy nyina nya sa dia they bia that will continue to be a country of lamentis
and come be that pro so na pay
yes
ni ntia businessmen bebre wo mo pese o mbebie nwuma amagana memuri anya biaye kwamna obi ho no ma wo sukom mepa adwuma ye enso onyanya adwuma no ano na krono na aba ne trim okowia it is unfortunate say enei obi bie container kiosk container auto provisions PK ne tofeni ade wo mkra no fo bi say oso pa adwuma ye ntu soro na pa betra sa container ya no na mso so me nkonkwo hwe adwuma bi e wa akire ha wo ba betra container no ano no na krono oton gari 1 cedi what 50 pesos oton malt bakwa
well ayafenu just to make it simple and straight ayafenu ni na the omo adwuma no o take advantage of you they also pay adwuma na wanya adwuma no also person take advantage of nipa no man adwuma no and the bribia dan ye nyina ye come with a very bad mindset that mindset in intimate nyina because a lot of Ghanaian businessmen are omo ka omo experience actually Kwaya Ghana for this year, Mama Konya to Munya Juma, Omudio Mafaswa. And I'm more Ghana for this year. A Juma for Binumudio Mafaswa. So, in as much as you shoot near buying, corrupted, no. Those who give opportunities to Yancy Maya Juma Momo. Now for B, now in Tiana Cabo swimming watching. Now see the Panonia, only the Cremant. It's not possible. That's why I'm worried that I bind DC for Sikasema Uncle Yena, office of Moyed by the interest of the party and Ghana. It's not true. We are a binimo. Because how do you survive? Without your pay. Number 2, Akatia Edema Binimo Unim. Akatia Edema Binim. Obi Juma Nunsia and Opa Nunsia, copy when you made no watching. Bosumi Nakatia 150 Ghana cedi. Abroso 300 Ghana cedi. How? So it's a whole lot of issues. We cannot 100% blame ye in Ghana for, even though you shoot your buying and no do na tosi. A tosi because environment lanka say woman mahu kwanse tosi. Because people are taking advantage of the vulnerability of Nipa Epe Jumaye.
Okay.
Obi tibishu nim kachira wo say opako. Ye wonu anu bebre a omugu echira. So it's not about the quality of the job again. It's not about it.
But no, you mentioned quality.
Yeah.
Between qualification and honesty, what will you go for?
Maybe Lebanese for but they want practical. Lebanese for no, you can be a PhD holder. That's not a business.
Honesty.
That's what they look out for.
Yeah.
A Judy Lebanese jumping the skill. One of the easiest things to do if only you're hardworking and you're honest. Well, you cannot run away from PhDs and the masters and all. Very relevant. But I know a complete. He said, "Ubenya Juma, ye wa obia na madam be catch me. Nipa miensa, omo compare Juma, obia qualified. Nipa miensa omo compare Juma, obia qualified. Name who read Juma nima, who say nsu agu form ho, and omo de mop as actually ho. Eti who rema first person in room no. Urama wano odi deal
atem. Cleaners in here na mama na second person so atwam.
Omo nyina qualify pepe.
Yeah.
Na second person so ba. Same the atem when am say management. I can't live in this kind of environment. The third one room no. Ochia maame no. No share form no so oparicho. Obetimi apepa e form amanana. Ana oje e mo bi no de paper form nyina.
Eno ano no qualify.
O paper na adwumawura no. Epie no say na omu nyina modimbo in terms of additional qualification.
Yeah.
Ntina aye din so ometime choose back. Ntina omo de saa de we hwe kwa me fa so.
Yeah.
So it's the problem. You can have all the qualification, but your honesty and your attitude no a bit my problem for you. Enti me say afranu ni nyina mo me ntwa. Enkrante no ntwa afranu ni nyina. Sometimes the employer ne ho ahomtebro so. The employee or your worse off. Employee
is on the mindset say Obia did in a juma. Obia did in a juma. You found as manager.
Yes.
You know,
Mr. You're careful. You're very, very, very careful because we don't believe in systems in this country. Young pension share where Juma say, Ufri han wakwa, unya problem akwa, or by address ama. Near petty and personal. Very petty and personal.
Esperanza Agentete or say it is true. I employed some workers and they stole the money and told me that when they sell, they don't know where the money goes.
No, I can't find where this because all comparison and some baby breed. Tima said there's an interesting conversation.
Yes, and I will be engaging Nanaba Namwa, Manasseh Azuri, Winnie, Bridget O2, Yanio Munina Betri and Como on this issue.
I wish you guys have a fruitful day.
Yeah.
No colors near me, Papa Colors. I really respect you for
comment. Now, but you feel proud to tell me so, CJ. What? Why? But it's and yet, come on. Better hey,
come on. Wow.